John, you do a good job today. You have the candlestick chart on. I like the candlestick chart. Show me the gold and silver candlestick chart now. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. Hey traders! Hope you're doing well. I like the candlestick chart. Maybe I should title the video that. Oh, anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Let me have a quick rundown of what's happening with the markets right now. Overall, let me take all the trend lines off here and let me share with you what I'm seeing through here. Overall, looking on the Dow Jones, what do we see through here? We continue to see, we just see this sideways movement, don't we? But what is really going on here? Low, high, low. So lower high, lower low. And notice the moving averages are pointing down and they're separated. That means momentum is strong on the downside still. So do not be fighting that trend. Don't be trying to buy this market thinking the market's going to rally up. I didn't even know this market's going to drop down. So, right, so we're in a very difficult or very difficult situation right now. Man. All right, so let's continue on here. The Nasdaq really is the same sort of thing, right? Pullback, small bars, not much happening through there. And so that's what I'm seeing right now when it comes to the Nasdaq chart. Again, just not really much going on through there. And very similar thing on the S&P to the Dow Jones as well too, right? Notice how, let me bring up a different color. Notice how my 52 is pointing down and my 20 is pointing down, and the market has just continued to do this. So I'm actually expecting that to happen. I'm definitely not short in the market, definitely not buying the market. Why not? Because I wait for my entry signal. I don't just get in the market because I think it's a good idea. So that's what I'm seeing there overall when it comes to that. Let me now get into some silver and gold action. Now, silver and gold. As you can see here, what's happening with gold right now, really, as you can see, and you can really see that's what's happening with the moving averages, right? You can see how the moving averages are quite entwined with each other, right? Like here. And like right here, whenever you get that, you know the market's just sideways and momentum is definitely not strong in the market. So right now you can see the market's gold is trying to break out where we are right now. It really looked like if we got a big close up here, it looks like the market was about to take off. And once we do start to break out of here, which I believe it may be even happening real soon, we are getting a bit of a higher low action through here, breaking off this previous high. I have a target of 1410 pretty quickly on silver and gold. And also, look at, again, this is obviously a silver chart through here. Once again, you can see the silver chart, not really much happening through here. Sideways channel. Wherever it breaks, then we have a really good chance. If it does break to the high side and we close above this channel through here, then we have like a 90% chance of going up and closing the 1750 level through there. So a quick little update there, guys, on that. Things like, let's go have a look at the GDX here. Now the GDX was going sideways, not much more. I was actually looking for a down move in this one. I'm not in a trade, but I was saying I was looking for a confirmation on the down move. We actually didn't get that, right? We got a turnaround, and now it looks like maybe, just maybe, silver and gold is getting ready to actually start to get some movement in that as well too. You can see the sideways period through here, and notice how both my moving averages are coming close together. Both my moving averages are coming close together. That means momentum is very slowing on this market here. And we may be just starting a new upward trend through here. So let's just see what actually happens through there, guys. But it's really interesting to see what's going on with this market right now. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is the start of a big move in silver and gold? And what about the stock market? Do you think that stock market where we've seen the last sort of week or so just sideways, even on the S&P, sideways, not really much happening, do you think that's getting ready for another big drop down? Let me know what you think.